day?
Papa, is everything okay? Abi, your assignment is frustrating you.
Papa, it's too hard. I've been cracking my head.
So why didn't you call for help? This is the problem with you people. You think you know everything. Which subject is this?
Wait first, Papa. Before you help me, please talk to my teacher and tell her you're the one that is helping me. Before tomorrow will come now, she will say somebody does not have sense.
Jesus.
You say she will say what? She will say somebody does not have sense, Papa.
Yes! She will say what?
Somebody does not have sense.
Blood of Jesus. Blood of Jesus.
Hey, comrade. Alpha. I beg, what's Man U and Chelsea they play right now?
Sorry, I don't watch football.
Really, nigga?
I don't watch football.
Naomi!
Ah, wait it.